Hello everyone and welcome on this new extended analysis on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, please don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube, such as this one right here, where actually I have told my followers to avoid the old signal because it's no longer valid since the market was actually approaching our TP. So the channel name here is Xtreme Gold Signals. It's completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. Just simply join it and remain connected to Xtreme Trader. Now what's gonna happen next with the gold? In my opinion right now, guys, gold is making history and we are actually right now witnessing it together. So as you can see right now, let me first of all delete the old signal. Now the gold is actually approaching the all-time high at 3,500. Most of the experts did not expect this to happen this week, but it seems like the gold is indeed resuming the rise massively, a very strong bullish momentum being detected. I would like first of all to move to the weekly chart to show you something. So right now what's happening next with the gold? As you can see, the gold has always been able to reach this area, but why this time is actually different. In my opinion, as we can see right here, my friends, we actually have here a resistance zone, as we can see like that. So first time the market has actually reached this level in April, as you can see, has been massively declined or rejected, and as you can see, the market has closed with a long wick at the top. Again, another attempt back in May and another rejection has been happening. And here also we can see these two candles, but none of them were actually able to close even above this zone. So actually we have ended up here with another wicks within the zone itself, and recently in July we have another attempt. Now remarkably, recently only the last two weekly candles has actually closed, as we can see, as a full bar and broke out from that level of a resistance zone. That's the difference, and that's, in my opinion, what's gonna help the gold to continue the rise. Now remarkably also right now the traders are actually or actually I would say that the gold is taking a lot of argument right now between traders. A lot of traders cannot agree on the gold. Will it continue the rise? Will it make a bearish fall? No one knows, because this is actually the all-time high. The gold, guys, has never reached this area. So of course you will see a lot of people disagreeing with buying here, and you will see a lot of them disagreeing with selling as well. So therefore let's agree on something, guys. We cannot be always right, and right now the gold is actually making history. No one knows right now what's going to happen next with the gold, so we will just do the best we can. And remember, this signal doesn't really have high chances of work, or actually to be accurate, maybe I would say 60% only. Why? Because again, we are actually literally in the swimming in the uncharted water right now, so no one knows. I mean, even for me, I don't really know what's going to happen next. I will just do the best I can, but of course what we are seeing right now has never happened before. So let's now analyze the market, and let's now move to the daily chart. So let's now use our understanding of the behavior of the market. So what we can see right now based on daily chart is actually here a support trend line number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, right here exactly after the bearish breakout happened exactly right here. The market actually has created here a new level of a resistance trend line. Now actually we thought that the gold will respect the same level of a resistance trend line and resume the fall exactly right here, but that didn't happen, and as you can see, a massive bullish breakout happening. The gold, my friends, most likely will continue the rise. Now if the gold will continue the rise, we are actually expecting it to respect at least the same level of a support trend line, and from that point onward the gold most likely will resume the rise. It's just as simple as that. Allow me please to move to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, I would like to squeeze that chart like that, because when you keep it like that, you cannot really see much. It's gonna be somehow like messy with a lot of ups and downs, so we cannot really understand of it. We cannot really understand much. But if we squeeze like this, now it feels better. Now I can see clearly here a support trend line and a resistance trend line. All of that together is actually can be spotted right now as easy as it gets. Look at that. a clear support trend line number 1, 2, and 3, and 4. After the bearish breakout happened, we have one single attempt of the resistance trend line number 1 and instantly broken out from, which means the market most likely will respect, hopefully, the same level of a support trend line and resume the rise. But now the question is, since we're actually swimming in literally the uncharted water, there is absolutely nothing here on the left side. It's completely blank. So how we can do that? How we can find our entry and our TP? Well, in this case, we will seek the help of Fibonacci retracement. How we can do that? By simply look at the recent structure, just like this one, right before the bullish movement happened or the bullish breakout happened. What you will do next is simply draw the Fibonacci right from this high to this low, just like that. Now check this out, exactly, just to be sure everything's correct, exactly, ignoring of course the fake breakout right here and connecting only the real levels of a support along with the real level of a resistance. We actually have ended up with Fibonacci 161.8, which matches the same level of the support trend line as we can see. That being said, we can actually expect from the gold to continue the fall and hoping for a good buy order, to place here our buy order, and then the gold most likely will continue the rise to reach a totally new level, exactly at Fibonacci 261.8. So I'm gonna tell you something, this signal requires a lot of balls, like really heavy metal balls, because we really don't know, guys, what will gonna happen next. So I will simply give the signal to buy the gold exactly right here at 3,463, considering that this is going to be 161.8, targeting 261.8 at 3,548. We are really hoping that this signal is going to work well, but again, absolutely nothing guaranteed at all. The gold is simply at the all-time high, and we are just simply doing the best we can. So please, guys, if this signal will fail, I really hope that no one will judge me, because again, I cannot really do more than that. I'm really doing the best I can here to keep my reputation and to help everybody as much as possible. But again, there is limits of what we can do, and unfortunately, the gold is not giving us much chances. Therefore, I would like to keep my safe zone till the peak of the resistance right here, as you can see, at 3,432. Because if the gold will actually be able to reach this area, it means that this level of a previous support trend line has not been respected, and the gold most likely will continue the fall again. However, that means that our safe zone will be ranging for around 300 pips exactly against 850 pips in our favor. Please allow me right now to write this signal for you. And that will be our updated signal on the gold. Please again remember, guys, we are actually relying mainly on this level of a support trend line to be respected. That strategy has always worked very well with us and give us a very high winning ratio. And that doesn't mean it will work every single time. Again, the gold is actually swimming in the uncharted water. So if you are willing to take this signal, please make sure to use the minimum lot size, and make sure, please, that you have been prepared for the losses, because again, it's actually more like gambling than trading at this point. And in the end, please don't forget also to join our free channel of Telegram, and you can also get to try our VIP service as well. The results are right here in front of you. You can see them also in the free channel. Again, the channel name is Xtreme Gold Signals, and to try the VIP service, you can just simply contact our support. You will find their contact details right here in the profile as well. So until then, my friends, I wish everyone good luck, and hopefully this is going to be a good signal. And in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.